So when do you use a current signature analysis versus a vibration analysis?
I will let you in on a little secret. For a long time, the industry, the discussion within the industry is, whatever we do, don't say we can detect mechanical issues. Well, why not? Well, because we might get the vibration guys angry. Well, who cares? I'm a vibration guy. I'm not angry because I can go with an electrical signature analysis. And here's what I do. So I generally use it. That's my system analysis. Because I'm using the magnetic field between the rotor and the stator of a motor or generator of any type and any size, I can see everything going on downstream in current all the way to the pump and some of the valves and whatever else in that system. I can see the power quality going upstream as far as sometimes even past the transformer, but it'll come to a wall if I'm doing most VFDs. I can test upstream. I can see what the condition of the controls are and everything else by using the motor itself as a transducer. Vibration in the wind industry is determined to be about 56% accurate. Electrical signature right now has been determined to be greater than 90%.
Wow.
Now, what is the primary difference and why is that? Electrical signature is a system analysis. There's things we will detect much later than vibration or ultrasound and other things, but we will see them. Mm-hmm. And there's things we'll see that they will never see, but we're going to see it all at once. So I take one set of data. So in the with most wind turbines, I'll walk into the base of the tower, take a 1 minute set of data from the base, not have to climb. And I will have more data than at any load. Yeah. It's not load dependent. Than what they get with setting the vibration data stuff up tower. That usually takes about a day a tower to run their analysis.
Yeah, and I can imagine a big benefit to that too is the accessibility of being able to run these electrical current analyses versus having to do a longer term vibration analysis.
Yep.